Hello, I'm going to show you the most interesting feature of the Unity version control plugin for Unreal Engine 5, formerly called Plastic SCM. We are going to start by creating a workspace into the cloud. This is also adding all the files into source control and making the first checking to the repository. I want to demonstrate a regular user workflow. So we are going to create a task branch to change the cube to become blue. And from here, the workspace was switched automatically to the branch. We can start to work on the task. Unreal Engine asks us to check out the asset. From now on, I can make as many changes as I want to the asset. It's being locked. So we can display as well the list of logs we have and the status. So we can see the asset is locked, preventing anyone else from making changes on any branch. Now, there's a convenient way to organize multiple changes into change list, and the plugin supports that. So in this case, there's only one file change for now, but it's a good idea to organize our work, and we can save changes into a group of change called change list. Now for the demonstration, I'm going to submit it like that. From here, we can see the log as transition to the retain mode, so it's still preventing anyone from changing the file except if they switch to this same branch and in order to continue making changes. Or I could also check it out again and make additional change. Right now I will want to go back to the main branch. We can see the current level has been updated. We are back to the initial color of the cube, and we can see there's a retain log and an icon saying there's a change in another branch, and I would be prevented to check it out on the main branch because I'm not at the latest revision of the file. Now, from within Unreal, I can merge a branch and get back the change from the branch into the main branch, and we can see it's updating. And if I want, I can immediately check in the merge, which will remove the log. Now anyone can start new branches from this main branch and continue the work. Thank you.